So Zane,
Yes.
I was thinking since it's after Memorial Day
Right.
and it's the beginning of summer for a lot of people, that we might celebrate it out of the studio for a little bit.
That sounds like a great idea. Because, I mean, think about it. All the kids are out of school. Or,
Those who are in school.
or at least the ones that actually were in school.
That's
right?
true.
What does that have to do with squat? I don't know.
I thought today we would try what whiskey tastes best with ice cream. In ice cream, on ice cream.
And all around ice cream.
All around ice cream.
Great idea. Let's
Sounds
do
good?
it. Yeah.
So whiskey and ice cream?
Right after this.
All right, so today we're gonna figure out what whiskey tastes good with ice cream.
Yeah, now how exactly are we doing this?
So we're gonna take vanilla bean because I think that's the basic way to go.
Because vanilla beans.
Basic.
Basic.
And it's vanilla is a flavor that does show up in whiskey.
Sure.
And so then also we will pair some whiskey with salted caramel because once again,
Salted
caramel is a whiskey flavor.
It
So
is.
I think if the ice cream helps the whiskey, if the whiskey helps the ice cream, or we just won't be able to go anywhere for a couple more hours after we do all this.
Okay, that sounds. I'm not in a hurry.
Me too. So let's start with I think one of your favorite. I think we bring in
Kings County.
and try
Yes.
it in ice cream first. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
Let's do it. And just like that, movie magic.
Movie
You see
magic.
that?
And
now we got this like pretty tray and some ice cream,
so right here is our vanilla bean.
vanilla.
And here's our salted caramel.
So we're gonna do this the right way. We're gonna use this little jigger here. We're not gonna go crazy, even though we do tend to go crazy. And we're gonna put a little bit in there,
Sounds
and a
good.
little bit in there, and a little bit more in here, and a little bit more in there. There we go.
That was scientific.
That was scientific, right?
Now,
All right, so which one you want to try first, and I'll try, and then we'll switch them.
sounds good. Okay.
All right, you're gonna go in for salted caramel.
Yeah,
I'm
since
gonna
you
go-
grabbed vanilla,
I'll go with vanilla
we'll just
bean.
do it. Yeah.
All right, here we go. Now, at King County, you would think that the ice cream would soften that up a little bit.
It does
It's
not.
stronger.
However-
I think it made that King County stronger.
In the caramel, that was good. That tasted,
Really? Okay,
I would say,
let's try it out.
Yeah, let's try
Let's
it
try it out.
out.
Let's see what you were tasting here.
All right.
Did you get some caramel with it?
I did.
Did you you dip it in there where it's floating around?
Well, sorta.
Wow. Now with that caramel, that's really good.
I think they both taste good.
Wow. Winner, Kings County.
Yep. Hands down. Game over. Thank you for joining us this week.
I don't know.
And I'll take 17
I
more
think I'll
scoops of
take
that.
a little bit more of that. That's pretty good, actually.
Well, we got a lot more to go. So
Okay. Ice cream. Now, do you feel like the ice cream is bringing out the whiskey flavors a little bit more, or do you feel like ice cream just overpowering the whiskey at this point?
I don't know. They seem to be pairing up really merging together, in my opinion. Now, the caramel was kind of stronger for sure.
The caramel tends to overpower where the vanilla bean is letting the whiskey do its whiskey thing.
For sure.
But I was really surprised with the fact that the vanilla is not calming the heat down on that whiskey. It actually
no,
like it
it's
raised
not.
it a little
Yeah,
bit.
it's not.
All right, let's go. Let's try another one.
Sounds good. What are we bringing in this time?
So we've had Kings County. Let's do our budget bourbon.
That sounds great.
Early
time.
So do you see that movie magic again? We got fresh ice cream again.
Fresh ice cream, ready to be had.
And it helps when you have people helping you out.
That's for sure.
All right, so let's pull out the old shot here, and we're gonna pour a little bit of early times.
A little for Santa
A
Claus.
little bit for Santa Claus, a little bit more for Santa Claus, a little bit more for Santa Claus, a little bit more for Santa. That seems like scientific, right?
Yeah, that was pretty scientific.
You know, okay.
All right.
All right, you think we're gonna expect the same kind of result, or we'll find out?
I think we'll find out.
You going in the salted caramel again?
Yeah,
All right,
since
I'm
you-
going in on this regular one.
Yeah.
Now, I think I like the early times a little bit more in the vanilla. It's not as like smacking in the face.
Yeah, there was not the smack in the face.
All right, let's go. Let's switch out here.
I don't say that I necessarily like that more or less, but
Ooh, no, I do not. Ooh, I do not like that with salted caramel at all. That's funky.
I like the caramel
Yeah. You like the salted caramel more?
I like the salted caramel more. Yeah. for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, I did. So that's
Oh man, I don't know. Right now I might be still leaning toward the Kings County.
Yeah, I think so. Because I didn't really actually like the vanilla one that much.
mean, for 100 proof, what's the proof on that Kings County? Is it
or what's on there? It's
90?
Yeah, it's 90 proof.
So it feels like this was hotter than the 100 proof early times.
But anyway, all right.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Let's see what comes up next.
All right, let's take this down a different aisle. Let's go. Let's try it with a Scotch.
Oh yeah, that'd be completely different. That
So
sounds
let's
like a good
bring
idea.
in, let's say, monkey shoulder.
Monkey shoulder.
A little monkey
and
shoulder, right? Movie magic.
like that.
I mean, they just appeared out of nowhere. That's amazing. All right, let's try here. A little monkey shoulder. So this is a blended Scotch.
Which we all already like.
A lot of people love monkey shoulder. Now, maybe it'll make it taste more like bananas.
Grab your cup of cream.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this.
I'm ready. All right.
All right, I'm gonna make sure I get like a little bit of some nut or something out of that one here. That's not bad with Scotch. Oh my gosh. That's you're gonna like it with that caramel. I'm telling you right now.
Okay.
Wow. Go ahead. I was not expecting to like that. I actually like Scotch with ice cream. That's pretty good.
That's really good in here. I did not like
Do
it.
you like
in
that? I like it in here and there. I like them both. So
there. Okay.
that might be kicking Kings County's butt on ice cream.
Not for him.
Just can't.
No,
let
it's actually pretty good. In this one. So yeah, I can handle that.
Okay, so far we're saying it's between Kings County and Scotch.
For sure, but I mean, let's just go a small trip across the waterway.
Across the pond.
Yeah, let's grab something Irish.
Oh, like let's say some Redbreast 12.
Yeah, which
Some
again,
people may say this is a travesty to put Redbreast 12 in a ice cream.
Some people might say that putting Kings County in ice cream is a travesty, but
That's a good point. That's a good point. Maybe we should go get the blends.
yeah, well, you know, that is a travesty.
Get some Diet Coke, some blends. And pour
I'll
it in
have a
there.
Blanton's and a Coke, please.
Oh, here we go. Movie magic. Did you see how that just appeared there?
Yes.
That's crazy. Oh.
Oh, come on. You're already tainting your decisions here.
I'm not tainting my decision. Hang on. I don't want to. There we go. Here we go.
Yeah, let's see.
That's what you get for pouring Redbreast.
Yeah, they get mad.
Some Robins are getting pissed off, man. I can tell you right now. That seemed scientific, didn't it?
That was scientific enough.
It's scientific-ish.
So do you want to grab the caramel again this time?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, I will.
Yeah.
Caramel it up. All right, here we go.
All right.
Now, Irish whiskey tends to be a little more soft, right?
Yeah, it
So I'm
does.
expecting this to be pretty damn decent.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
I'm not feeling it as much. I'm not feeling it as much.
That's just not.
You make me nervous with the vanilla now because you didn't act like that was any better.
No.
Oh no. So the ice cream really brings up kind of the ethanol out of the Irish whiskey, does it not?
It does. I mean, it's like, I have an open wound. Let's put some alcohol on it.
I just don't.
Okay.
Irish whiskey's okay. I'm coming back here for a second to this Kings County, right?
Yeah.
And then maybe
Uh-huh.
this would have been the.
No, now
Yeah.
you're confused.
No, I'm not confused. That's the monkey shoulder.
Monkey shoulder.
I hate to say this, but I think Kings County tastes better.
No,
So-
I think it's interesting that it's some of them are just gross in there, and others actually it's good.
I'm starting to think Kings County needs to pay us for sponsorship at this point right now.
I
Yeah,
will
we-
take sponsorship payments in the form
cases of whiskey?
Cases of whiskey, for sure.
No, that's pretty good. Okay, but you know what? You know what this weekend is?
Yeah.
It's Father's Day weekend. So I thought maybe for Father's Day, we bring in not your father's root beer
Oh, and make a float.
and make a root beer float.
I
With
am
whiskey.
on it with Kings County whiskey.
So let's get some more ice cream. What do you say?
I say,
So not your father's root beer?
yeah, which is good on its own right.
Is it? I've never had it.
Oh well,
You know what?
movie magic, and it's open.
It is open. It doesn't smell like whiskey. It smells like root beer.
It smells like root beer, of course. Oh, yes. I'm excited.
Yeah? Right now, you know, David's thinking, I'm on the wrong end of the camera today.
That's right.
David's going to need some of this.
Yeah, well,
I think
we'll need to hook
everybody
him up.
out here is going to need some of
Yeah,
this.
that's for sure.
So we were saying that let's try it without the whiskey first.
All right, of course.
At least, you know, because this is...
You know.
So this is adult float, right?
This is an adult float.
Adult float?
I don't know, adult float,
Adult float. This is probably better than that sour pickle beer popsicles I made last year.
which was horrible. If you don't remember that episode, it's right here.
All right, let's go. I mean, come on, dude. That's awesome.
That's great. That's
right.
really good.
We're putting whiskey in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's make that happen. Oh, yeah.
Now, I'm suspecting, as great as this was with the vanilla bean, throwing a little root beer in there. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's perfect at this point.
This is getting me pretty excited, actually.
Watch it taste terrible.
No, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Hush.
Oh, man.
That's boy, I was right.
Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty awesome. So there you go, guys.
Oh, yes.
Pick up some Not Your Father's root beer,
In Kings County.
Kings County, and some ice cream, and
Hey.
just take over Dad's this weekend and introduce him to get him Kings County.
Yeah, because your dads are worth it.
Mm-hmm. This was totally worth it.
Oh, this was good.
In the meantime, you guys continue to be cool this week. Happy Father's Day.
And cheers.
Cheers.